Hey everyone, welcome to Tell All Wealth, your go-to source for making money online. Forget complicated schemes, we're talking real cash, earned by tapping into the daily flow of news with Google. No upfront investment needed, just your curiosity and a bit of hustle. Sound good? Let's dive in. This is about leveraging Google's power, its news trends and AI tools to generate income. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just want extra cash, this guide will show you how. Get ready to turn your news savvy into a profitable side hustle. We'll walk through each step, from spotting hot topics on Google News to using AI to write compelling articles. Okay, Google News is a goldmine of trending topics. It's your key to understanding what people are talking about right now. Think of it as a giant focus group, constantly telling you what's hot and what's not. By tapping into these trends, you're essentially writing articles people are already searching for. Start by browsing Google News daily. Pay attention to the headlines. What are the recurring themes? What are people talking about? Look for keywords that pop up frequently. These are your money makers. For example, if artificial intelligence keeps appearing, that's a sign people are hungry for information on that topic. Don't be afraid to explore different sections, from technology to entertainment, sports to finance. There's a niche for everyone. The key is to find a topic you're genuinely interested in. By staying informed and identifying trending keywords, you'll be well on your way to crafting articles that people actually want to read. Writing great content takes time and effort, right? Not anymore. Thanks to the power of AI, you can now create high-quality articles in minutes. Think of AI as your writing partner, helping you produce engaging content without the usual hassle. One of the most popular AI writing tools is ChatGPT. This powerful tool can generate human-like text on any topic you throw at it. Simply provide some keywords or a brief outline, and ChatGPT will do the rest, crafting well-written and informative articles that are sure to captivate your audience. AI can also help you improve your writing skills by analyzing your writing style and suggesting improvements. AI tools like Grammarly and Pro Writing Aid can help you become a better writer over time. So, embrace the power of AI. By leveraging these incredible tools, you can streamline your content creation process and boost your earning potential. Welcome to the future of writing. You've got the news, you've got the AI. Now it's time to find your writing niche. This is where your interests and the trending keywords from Google News collide. Remember, passion fuels success, so choose a topic you're genuinely excited about. Let's say you're a tech enthusiast and notice virtual reality gaming trending on Google News. Bingo! That's your sweet spot. Combine your passion for tech with the high demand for VR gaming content, and you've got yourself a winning formula. But don't just jump into writing yet. Take some time to research your niche. What are people already saying about VR gaming? What are the common questions and concerns? Identifying these gaps in information will give you valuable insights into what your audience wants to read. Once you have a good understanding of your niche, it's time to brainstorm article ideas. So choose wisely, do your research, and get ready to share your passion with the world. You've got your niche, you've got your ideas. Now it's time to craft headlines that grab attention. Think of your headline as a shop window. It needs to be enticing enough to make people stop and take a closer look. In the online world, that means crafting headlines that are clickable, shareable, and optimized for search engines. Start with a strong verb that evokes emotion or curiosity. Instead of new VR headset released, try experience gaming nirvana with the latest VR headset. See the difference? The second headline is more engaging and creates a sense of excitement. Next, incorporate relevant keywords that people are searching for. Using our VR gaming example, you might include keywords like virtual reality, gaming, headset, or specific game titles. This will help your article rank higher in search results, making it easier for people to find your content. With your attention-grabbing headline ready, it's time to unleash the power of AI for article creation. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard to make it work for you. AI tools like ChatGPT are surprisingly user-friendly, even for beginners. Feed your chosen keywords and a brief outline into ChatGPT and watch as it generates a well-structured article draft in minutes. This frees you up to focus on the more creative aspects of writing, like adding your unique voice and insights. While AI is great at generating text, it's important to remember that it's not perfect. Always review and edit the AI-generated content, adding your personal touch and ensuring it aligns with your writing style and the tone of your chosen platform. Think of AI as a starting point, not a finished product. Don't be afraid to experiment with different AI writing tools to find one that best suits your needs. Embrace the AI revolution and watch your productivity soar. With the help of these powerful tools, you can create more content in less time, allowing you to scale your earning potential and achieve your financial goals. You've poured your heart and soul and some AI magic into creating amazing articles. Now it's time to get paid, but where do you submit your written masterpieces? The good news is there's a whole world of online platforms eager for fresh content. First up, consider content mills like Textbroker and iWriter. These platforms connect writers with clients looking for articles, blog posts, and other written content. While the paper article might be lower than other options, content mills offer a steady stream of work, making them a great option for beginners. If you're after higher paychecks, explore freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Here, you can create a profile showcasing your skills and bid on writing projects that interest you. You'll have more control over your rates and the type of work you take on. Don't forget about niche websites and blogs. Many websites focus on specific topics and are always on the lookout for knowledgeable writers. Do your research, identify websites that align with your niche, and pitch your article ideas. By submitting your work to a variety of platforms, you'll increase your earning potential and create a more stable income stream. Now that you know where to submit your work, let's talk about the most exciting part, getting paid. Pricing your writing can feel tricky, but it doesn't have to be. Here are a few strategies to help you determine your worth and maximize your earnings. Start by researching industry standards. Websites like Writers Market and the Freelancers Union provide valuable information on average rates for different types of writing. Use this information as a benchmark when setting your prices. Consider your experience level. As a beginner, you might start with lower rates to attract clients and build your portfolio. As you gain experience and positive feedback, gradually increase your rates to reflect your growing expertise. Don't be afraid to negotiate. When discussing rates with clients, be confident in your abilities and the value you bring to the table. Clearly communicate your pricing structure and be willing to negotiate within reason. Some writers find that charging per project offers more flexibility and allows them to factor in research and editing time. The key is to find a pricing strategy that works for you and allows you to earn a comfortable living from your writing. So there you have it, your roadmap to earning $500 or more daily with Google News and AI. It's a journey that requires effort, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But trust me, the rewards are well worth the hustle. Imagine waking up every day excited to dive into your writing, knowing that your words have the power to inform, entertain, and inspire others. Imagine the freedom and flexibility that comes with being your own boss, setting your own hours and working from anywhere in the world. This is the beauty of the digital age. With a laptop and an internet connection, you have the power to create your own opportunities and build a successful writing career on your own terms. Go out there and make it happen today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tell All Wealth, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.